Hi everyone, and welcome to week 6 of Writing 111. This week the first thing that you need to do is submit a final polished draft of your personal narrative. So I'm asking you to turn that in by Wednesday, September 29th. Along with the essay, you should make sure that you submit a reflection, and that's something that doesn't have to be polished. I'm not grading you for your spelling or your punctuation or your grammar. But I do want you to take about a page and reflect on these questions. You can type this at the end of your essay, towards the end, but I'm really interested in the way that you reflect back on that process and how it worked out for you. That's a really important part of the work we're doing in this course. So in addition to your essay, make sure you have included the reflection on the end of it. After you have submitted your essay, you're going to start working on our next module, which is Rhetorical Analysis. That's our next major essay, which is going to be due in week 11. So some of our reading this week has to do with rhetorical analysis. I have 2 readings for you here in the week 6 media. Wait to read these until you've finished up with your personal narrative. It's okay if you don't get these done until over the weekend, but that's the next set of readings that I'd like you to do. We're going to be looking at the Super Bowl as a cultural institution and representation of our nation in our rhetorical analysis. And so after you've done some of these readings about the Super Bowl, I'm just asking you to do some kind of a brief overview analysis of kind of what surprised you, intrigued you, and disturbed you about these readings, and that might set the path for the way that we think about our second essay. So I'll see you all in class tomorrow, and we can talk about any details about polishing up your first essay. I also have office hours tomorrow, which is a great time to meet with me and ask any questions. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll talk to you soon.